This is lesson 2, the second half of the first page, 215. Okay, now the word first is, the first word is abreast. Okay, the word is abreast. It means to keep on top of. Okay, the word is abreast. Okay, it's abreast. Now, the Chinese word is a phrase. It's 并肩的. Okay, it's this. 并肩的，并肩的. Okay, it's 并 with a fourth sound. 并肩肩的 the dot. Okay, 并波，en 并，gen 肩的的的 ，okay， 并肩的，并肩的 to keep abreast of， 并肩的 to keep abreast of is 并排 ，okay， 排并排的 ，okay， so it's 并 this 排的 ，okay， 并排的 means to keep abreast with. Okay. Now next, that's related. 跟上 ，okay. 跟 means to follow. 跟上，跟上，歌 ，n 跟诗 ，on 上 ，okay， 跟上 means to follow, okay. To keep abreast of is to not fall behind, right? And another word is so it's to follow, okay. Or it could be another term that's similar is they call it not fallen behind, okay? Not 不落后的，不落后于 okay, 不 it's actually pronounced 不 but it's actually they write it 不 because the word is 不 okay, but the pronunciation is 不落后于落后于 okay, 不落后于 it means you have not fallen behind. It's a state of not having fallen behind. Okay, 不落后于 okay, 不落落 that's all 落 oh sorry 落 it's this character right here 落呵哦后于 okay, 不落后于 okay, it means you've kept up, so it means kept up, okay, with not fallen behind, kept up with, okay, 不落后于 next word, okay, abroad. Abroad. Okay, abroad, it means in another country, like not in your home country. Abroad, okay. 在 means at, okay. 国 country, 外 outside, okay. 资哀在 okay. 在国外 okay. 在国外 it means outside of the country. This character right here means country. Okay. 国在国外资 wait that's sorry that's not 资 this is 资哀在歌我国无哀外无外外在国外 I think that's right hopefully hopefully okay the next word is abrupt okay abrupt abrupt suddenly means suddenly okay 突然的 so the words are 突然的 this is horrible isn't it my Chinese is very horrible 突 okay it's got the hat an 8 and a dog 突然的 okay, but nobody cares nobody cares because everybody uses the computer these days. Writing it by hand is very tedious. 突然的 so in order to type it on the keyboard you would write on the pinyin keyboard pinyin okay something like 突然的 okay or the 注音 which is Taiwanese 特乌突日安然的的 okay 突然的 okay suddenly abruptly now next word yes I could get a small cloth I could but I'm too lazy to do that right now. I'll do it next time. Okay, I'll get a small cloth. I have a lot of small cloths. Okay, 突然的 absence. Okay, absence. Okay, absence. 缺席. Okay, 缺 okay 缺席 okay 缺 QUE 缺席 second okay well don't want to write that 七无也缺席一席缺席 okay 缺席 absence 缺席 or 缺席的 okay 的 缺席的 absent okay so how do you say you're absent minded okay so absent minded is 心不在焉 it's an idiom okay it's an idiomatic phrase心 okay means heart 不 not 在 exist 焉 really don't need the dot because 心不在焉 is better of a phrase. Nobody ever says 心不在焉的. Okay, just 心不在焉 is 心不在焉. Okay, 心. Oh gosh, I just lost my peeing. 心. Maybe this. 不心不自爱在一焉心不在焉. It's idiomatic. 心不在焉, you really don't want to say 心不在焉的 because it sounds like you're trying to, you know, it's really not used as a, it's like saying, you know, it's putting it's putting like an idiomatic phrase in a form that is an adverb and it's not proper. So don't say 心不在焉的 because it's, you could, but it's not common. Okay, this sounds awkward. Absolute. Okay, absolute. 绝对的, it means like how do you say absolute is 绝对的. How would you say the word absolute is absolute adult? How would you describe absolute in English? 绝对的, like ultimate, okay, like finished, or 100% absolute. Okay, it's like ultimate. 绝对的, 绝对的. Okay, or absolutely, or absolutely 绝对的. Okay, 几乎也觉得无对的绝对的. Okay, this is the reason why I like this, because this just is weird. 绝对, because this 对, it looks like 对, okay, and this definitely says 对, okay, this just looks like 对, okay, and this is the reason why I have a problem with the, you know, pinging. I just have a huge problem with it, in fact. Okay, 绝对的, absorb, okay, absorb, to take up, okay, absorb, 吸, it means to take in or inhale, show, to take up, show is to take in, okay, 吸收, okay, 吸 xi, 吸收, okay, 吸一吸湿欧收, you see, this is so much nicer. 吸收吸一吸湿欧收吸收, okay, to absorb. Okay. Okay, so this is really awkward. It says to be absorbed in is 专心的, but really it means to be focused. Okay, so I'm just gonna write this on the bottom. That if you're to be absorbed in something that you're doing, okay, like to be focused. Okay, it's the word is 专. Oops, correct. 专心语, 专心语. To be concerned with 专心语. I hate this. This is a dr, okay? The zh used a j, but the thing, you know, in the pinyin, it's so easy. 知无安专 okay 专心西恩心西恩心语专心语 okay I'm definitely for this, not for that. 专心语沉浸语 is also absorbed, okay? So another word for absorb the focus is 沉 it means to sink, okay? To sink is the 沉浸 it's to sink. Oh, sorry. 沉浸语沉浸语 okay 沉浸语 okay 沉吃沉积静语沉浸语 to be so absorbed that you're sunken in. Okay, it's sunken in. 沉 is to sink. 沉浸 is to sink in. Okay, 沉浸语 or to absorb in like that sort of way. Now, next. I really need to clean this because you know what? My greasy hands have gotten on this. This is getting greasy. Okay. Now, abstain. Okay. Abstain. Abstain is 静 means to stop. 绝 okay, stop. Absolute. Okay, 绝 is like absolute. 绝对 is absolute. Right. 静绝 okay. 静静绝静绝 okay. 禁绝 is to abstain. 积一安 that's 戒禁积恩禁积举于也绝禁绝 okay. 放弃 is to give up okay, but we'll put it here. 放 okay, 放 oh, are you writing this wrong? Yes, you are. Okay. 放 okay, 弃 okay, 放弃 so it's 放 so with a G this time, okay? This N has a G. 放 so 放 弃 QI 弃 放 弃 一弃 okay, it's so easy. 放弃 弃权 okay, it's another word for abstain. 弃权 I guess I'll have to write it down. Okay. 弃权 and then there's 节制 I think 弃权 is not so common. We'll put 节制 instead, okay? 节制 it's very common, this word here. 节制 okay, to be conservative or to have control. 节制 is like to have self-control or control. To have control. Okay, it's 节制 okay. 积一也节制 okay, 节制 okay. The next word is a little bit difficult. It's abstraction. Okay. Abstraction. Abstraction. Okay. Abstraction, it's 提取 okay 提取 okay 提取 abstraction, how do you say abstract 抽象 okay abstraction 提取 it's to derive okay 提 is to pull out of okay 提 to if I said 我提起来这桶水提 means to lift up a bucket of water 我提起来这桶水提 is to pull up okay so to 提取 is to extract or abstract so extract is a physical taking out of right so if I said I'm a pot of chemicals right and I'm going to extract some essential oils out of this pot of chemicals or I'm boiling like a pot of things okay and I want to extract it it's to 提炼 okay it means to extract right but to 提取 is it's an abstract way of it's philosophical right to 提取 it's to grab the concept out of something so it's on a higher level of it's not physical it's not existential but it's like epistemological we'll call it okay so the difference between abstraction and extraction is that this is epistemological okay epistemology right so it's of knowledge okay so it's this type of abstraction 提取 is to it's an abstract way of doing it it's to extract in a philosophical sort of sense like some sort of knowledge or insight okay abstraction is 提取 okay 抽象的 okay so abstract okay abstract 抽象 to take or pull out the image of the okay so the 象 is like the image okay 抽象的抽象的 okay 抽象的 is to take it's 抽象的 it's the word abstract is difficult to explain it's something not physical it's something of knowledge it's something even deeper than the first layer of knowledge which could just be information so something could be information but then there's an insight beyond the information and I think abstract is the word that describes that okay 吃欧抽西洋象的抽象的 okay yes this is absurd which is the next word okay absurd okay absurd 荒谬的 okay this is so like I mean it's kind of like the word absurd like people who use the word absurd they would also say something like 荒谬的 it's a little bit formal and a little bit stuffy okay 荒谬的 the is the adjective it makes it an adjective okay so the makes it an adjective or an adverb okay adverb okay 荒谬的荒 okay 荒谬 的 ，OK， 荒谬的，荒谬的，呵，乌昂荒么，没有谬，没有谬的的，荒谬。Wait a second, 谬. This is 荒谬, mew. Okay, this is a vowel that I'm having some trouble with. 荒谬. Oh gosh, that's strange. 荒谬. 荒谬的. I think that's right. You, E-O-U. 荒谬的. 荒谬的. Just sounds a little bit weird because it's not. It's such a formal like word. It's like a very very like old people word. 荒谬的. Absurd. 可笑的. Okay, so you say yeah, 可笑的. This latter is more colloquial. We'd say it's laughable. Okay, 可 it means possible. 笑 laugh. Okay. 的 it's possible to laugh at it. 可笑的 okay. 可笑的 okay. 可笑的可笑的 okay. 可笑的 okay, so that's something more colloquial. To say something is 荒谬 is like you're almost like being absurd and being like using like more ancient language. Okay, abundance. 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 Okay. 丰富. Okay. Abundance. 丰富. Okay. 丰富. So there's a word. Okay, you can say 丰富 or 丰富 okay, either way, 丰富 or 丰富 okay. 丰富 okay. 丰富 okay. Abundant. Now, having a lot of, okay, so a lot of something, okay. 大 big, 量 amount. Okay, the adjective. Now 大 okay, you don't want to cross this, otherwise it means husband or something like that. Okay, 大的 大 okay, 量的 okay, 的 大 了 量的大量的 okay. 大量的 means an abundance of or a lot of. Okay, now I'm gonna have to clean this. This is all greasy. Isn't that horrible? Abuse. Abuse. Okay. Abuse. 虐待. Okay, the word is 虐待. Okay, here, watch. Okay. 虐. I think it's this. 待. Okay, 虐待, I'll show you. Okay. 虐待. 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 That's a little bit nasal. 虐待, okay. 呢逾越虐呢逾越虐的爱待虐待 okay, it's very easy. 虐待 abuse, okay. 滥用 means to abuse, also to use in a bad way, okay. 滥用 is like wasteful or bad. 滥 okay. 用 滥 用 okay 浪用 okay 了 ang 浪 yu ong yu wong 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 用 浪用 yong yong okay 浪用 is also to abuse okay and that's it for page 215 tomorrow we'll start our next lesson okay this was lesson I should write the lesson okay lesson 2 okay this was lesson 2 I should write it down okay next time we'll write it down that's going to be lesson 3 next time okay that's it